2019 Chevy G3500 15-passenger van. Around the outside here. This is perfect for an after-school program or a church. Take a peek at the interior here. Hopping up in the cab here. Got 26,883 on the dash. Got your rear air controls up here, as well as the rear passengers have their own controls up top. Got 3 benches that'll hold 3 people, and the very last bench will hold 4. Go around to that side and open that door. Got a dual entry door here. It's a lane to walk down to the back seats. A seat belt for every passenger. We have a little tear right here. Got air vents all throughout for every passenger. Coming to the rear of the van. All of these seats are removable. If you remove this very last seat, it gives you some storage area. Comes out in 2 pieces. Look up through here. If you have any questions, feel free to call 727-484-8583.